Guys, with Shiba Inu having already pumped 80% just within the last 24 hours, literally flipping Dogecoin on its back based on its market cap, surging past Doge's market cap. While a lot of our other favorite altcoins are currently crashing, what should you do? Should you move all your money on over to SHIB? I'm going to be discussing that in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if cryptos are headed up or down. So you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know when I'm ready to buy and sell so that you guys can as well, or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you love cryptocurrencies, smash that like button. And for the folks that took my SHIB alert when I called it out many months ago, you've already made thousands and thousands of dollars, literally over 1000x since then. Guys, as you've seen, we saw Bitcoin crash a bit today, with the other altcoins somewhat following along with it. That's because a lot of folks that were longing and shorting Bitcoin went ahead and liquidated earlier today. Inevitably, we're going to have a lot more smaller retailer investors and buyers coming on into the marketplace now that these prices are low, inevitably causing another bounce here very soon. And that's including Shiba Inu. Guys, it will continue to go up, I believe, much higher, especially with the Robinhood listing coming out supposedly on Monday. Now guys, don't think this market cap for Shiba Inu is going to stop anytime soon. Even with over $25 billion into Shiba Inu, there could potentially be over $100 billion in there just by the end of this bull cycle. With smart money and whales now putting a lot of their money into Shiba Inu, imagine what the possibilities are. We could literally be seeing a penny here in not too long. Shiba Inu is now acting on the charts just like Dogecoin did when it had its massive uptrend. So you want to get in and you want to be positioned very well for when we reach our cycle top, so I can let you know when I'm ready to sell Shiba Inu as well. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. Because I have such a good relationship with Webull, if you deposit any amount, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. There's now currently a petition online urging Robinhood to put Shiba Inu on their platform with over 330,000 signatures. Guys, with that kind of pressure, I'm sure Robinhood will list it on there very soon. Guys, back in 2017, when we look at the charts for Bitcoin, it's mimicking the same patterns that we're seeing on the charts right now during that massive bull run back in 2017. So guys, Bitcoin isn't near over right now. I believe we'll easily go over $100,000 just by the end of this bull cycle, just by the end of this year, causing the rest of the cryptocurrency market to follow up along with it. Guys, I believe Dogecoin will also surge past $1 by then as well, and Shiba Inu could easily be a penny by then too. Guys, a huge article came out titled, Shiba Inu coin price hits an all-time high as the Robinhood petition gains more and more popularity. Having a market cap of nearly $30 billion, it's already blown past Dogecoin, and up over 60 million% just within the last year. With celebrities getting on board for Shiba Inu, we have a lot to look forward to, so you want to be ready for more pumps to come and be positioned very well for when that happens, because I believe we'll be shedding a 0 or 2 just within the next few weeks. And guys, since Shiba Inu is continuing to pump even after Elon Musk came out and said that he doesn't own any Shiba, this just tells you that it doesn't need Elon Musk to continue to pump, which is very important considering Doge seems like it is somewhat relying on Elon. So guys, if you have made any profits on your Doge yet, I think it's time you might want to sell and buy SHIB. At least if you made 20% or more on Doge. And guys, when we take a look at the Shiba Inu charts, as you can see, we're literally going parabolic. Sure, we had a bit of a cooldown corrections just right here, but that didn't stop it. We've gone straight up, and I don't think it's anywhere near being finished. So you want to be ready for that. You want to be ready when I let you guys know when to sell, because I'm still calling out the dips as I see them form on the charts throughout the day. So be sure to have some cash on the side to buy those dips. And if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Weeple link in the top pinned comment. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive uploads. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.